Meet Asta SysML, a lightweight feature-rich tool for SysML modeling. Asta's diagram creation is simple and intuitive. Simply select the diagram type, and the editor will open with a tool palette of model elements. To add a model, choose one from the tool palette and click on the editor, then name it, or simply double-click within the editor. Creating relationships is quick and easy. Just hover over a block, select the relationship type, and connect it to your target, all in just a few clicks. Asta's mini icons for quick access make your diagramming faster and more efficient. As you create models, they are automatically added to the tree view, where you can easily organize them. You can quickly navigate to where a model is depicted, which is an invaluable feature when managing large projects. You can also create new models, like blocks, in the tree view and drag them onto diagrams. You can also drag a block onto a model, like assigning it to an item flow. This drag and drop feature simplifies diagram creation and keeps models consistent. For presenting diagrams, you can easily choose which models to show or hide, tailoring the presentation to suit the diagram's purpose and your audience. View options can be adjusted at the diagram level or for individual models. Asta SysML supports profile import, enabling you to define stereotypes, including uploading graphic icons for stereotypes to enhance diagrams with visually meaningful elements. For team collaboration, you can easily merge two projects into one by comparing diagrams both in table format and graphically. To share diagrams with someone who do not have Asta, you can export diagrams to image or HTML files. Asta SysML is interoperable with Cameo, allowing you to import files from Cameo and export them back to Cameo format. The Unified Architecture Framework is also supported through a free plugin, just like all the other plugins available on our website. Lastly, Asta SysML includes mind mapping to brainstorm and organize system plans and documentation. You can drag and drop files into the map, creating hyperlinks to all related documents and accessible. If you're starting SysML modelings or looking for SysML tools, Asta SysML is a great start for you. Download a 20-day free trial today.